Retrieving articles with lexile scores. Part 1. Explora. From the library webpage, you want to click on Databases. From there, you want to click on E. One of the databases I will show you is called Explora. Here on the Explorer homepage, you'll see a list of topics. However, to get to the lexile score option for your search, you will click on Advanced Search. Right here in your search options, you'll have search modes and expanders, and limit your results. In the limit your results sections, you have full text, published date, number of pages, scholarly peer-reviewed journals, but also your lexile reading level. We have up to 500, 300 to 800, 550 to 1000, 700 to 1100, 850 to 1200, and 950 and higher. So before you perform your search, you will select which lexile reading level you want, and it will be highlighted in blue. And then above in your search boxes, you can go ahead and type in your search parameters. Once you hit search, your limiter should be here on the left-hand panel. Your limiters are full text and lexile reading level 550 to 1000. The good thing about the Explorer database, when you click on the title of the article, it goes straight to the article. However, you can click on the HTML full text that can be readable. To read the articles, you can choose an American accent right here at the center, but you can also choose the options of highlighting the text as it's being read. You can choose the highlighting options. You can read the word and a sentence, or you can just do word by word by choosing word only. You can also slow down the speeding of the reading from slow, medium to fast. It's defaulted to medium, but you can change it to slow. So let's look at how it reads the article in HTML format.
Navigating transnational child care relationships, migrant parents and their children's caregivers in the origin country. Contents 1.